As a brand owner on Amazon registered on Brand Registry, you have access to a number of features which are not available to other sellers. The first of these is A+ content, also known as enhanced brand content. A+ content is a rich media area which is towards the bottom of the listing. It's under From the Manufacturer. A+ content is a structured area of content which enables you to add more information about the brand and the product. You can add images, text, videos, comparison areas. To create A+ content, go to Advertising in the main menu and then A+ Content Manager. If you want to create A+ content, click Start Creating A+ Content in the top right hand corner. The list of A+ content that you've already created appears here on the first page. I'm going to click on some created earlier. The first stage is the creation of content stage. As I previously created this content, I can click Edit here on the top right hand corner. A+ content is created by creating a number of modules. You can add a module from the bottom and you get to choose a number of different modules type. Here you have a standard comparison chart where you have images and rows, 4 images and text, 4 images and text and another format. There are altogether 17 different formats of content that can be added. Let's just give an example of creating some A+ content from start. If we select the standard company logo, that will appear at the top and it's telling us here that the size is 600 pixels by 180 pixels. Let's just add another module. Let's say that we want to have some sort of standard single image with highlights. As you can see here again, there's places where you can add a headline, subheadline, body text with formatting, an image, and a bullet point here. Let's just add another module. Just some standard text with a headline and some text. And finally, let's add 3 images and text, and that would just allow us to add 3 images, headline and text, and let's just save that as a draft. The next step is to apply this A+ content to ASINs. If you recall, an ASIN is another name for an Amazon listing. It's the Amazon stock number, and ASIN stands for Amazon Standard Identification Number. So let's click Apply to ASINs. If we take the ASIN of the product we're looking to apply the A+ content to and put it in this search box, it'll bring up the details. We can then apply the content to that ASIN and it'll appear down here as an applied ASIN. Once you have searched for the ASINs you want to add and then applied them, you can then review and submit. Once the content has been submitted, it needs to be approved by Amazon and it will then be published. A+ content which you've already created will appear on the home page under the content name. If we click into it and go to related contents, this is where Amazon will keep its language variation which is automatically created. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.